science that studies matter, its fundamental and consequence, its motion and behavior through space and time, and related entities of energy and force. Physics is one of the most fundamental scientific discipline with its main goal being to how universe behaves.
I am nuclear physics, part of the physics. Nuclear physics is the field of physics that help in to make the nuclear power and many other. Nuclear physics help to make many nuclear powers of atomic and protons. There are 8 types of nuclear physics: neutron, electron, nucleus, pion, proton, neutron, nuclear matter, and quantum chromodynamics. The Sir Ruster Rutherford is a father of nuclear physics. Thank you.
I am chemistry. Chemistry full form is C means the community, H means health, E means environment, M means medicines, I means industries, S means science, T means technology, R means research, Y means you. Science father is a Antonio lawyer, is a father of modern chemistry. Thank you.
Biology is a very important subject to become a doctor. Biology has so many parts like virology, mycology, botany, and so many. First, I tell about virology. Virology is the study of virus. Second, mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi. Botany is the study of upper body, and it has three major parts that are microbiology, botany, and zoology. The Arastu is the father of biology. The term coined by Lamarck of biology.